Alright, today I'm going to do a quick review of my T-Mobile T9 Franklin hotspot. This device is pretty compact and it is about size of a card, and it will be a little bit bulky and bigger, but overall compared to the one device that I had, which is the CoolPad, and this one definitely on a bigger size, but this one has a little display that gave you all the information you need to know, such as the internet SSID, password, and etc. If you want to turn off any of that, you could turn off in a setting. On the on this default router IP address is 192.168.0.1. So they call it a gateway IP address. So you can go into that, and the default password is admin, and you can change to whatever you wish. Okay, and this device does a very good job with connecting to a T-Mobile tower, but for me, I am in an area that T-Mobile have extremely low internet speed. As you can see right there, it's about 4 megabit down and 0.5 up. So, but this hotspot does give me a little bit better upload speed than that device, because that device is actually has a T-Mobile SIM card connect to it. So I don't know why that is, but hey, it's T-Mobile. T-Mobile overall doing pretty good job with their hotspot. This device, I do notice I do have a Mint Mobile as my carrier, as not my primary carrier, but I am using them as a business line. So I call people, call customer service, and all that stuff. But I put Mint Mobile into this device, and it works great. But whenever you put any mobile, like a T-Mobile network into it, because this one also have voice line, you will lose the voice line feature, but you do be able to receive text by logging into the IP address that I talking about earlier. So, but over here, the SIM card is very hard to get it out because I do not have a fingernail. So I am going to use a assistant of SIM card, because we got a million of these bad boy around the house. So over here is your Mint SIM card. So this is Mint SIM card that you stick it in there, and it will be able to stick it in there, and there you go. So this SIM card actually does work fully with a T-Mobile hotspot. I tried that out just to see if it worked, and it sure is working just fine. So we're gonna turn on this device, and I know it's already turned on, but it is pretty fast to turn on. So and the battery is fully charged, and so you just have to hold it 3 seconds. You can't just hold it and let go, because just in case you're accidentally turned on, that will actually help you save your batteries. So there you go. So as soon as the light start blinking, which is the menu button, we should be able to see the Wi-Fi icon coming up, which is we're going to connect to that Wi-Fi, and it's the T9 hotspot. So we're going to do that. And that way we can actually show you the real world test. And so this does receive a update whenever I first got out of the box. And it does come with a T-Mobile SIM card. And you do need to have either added line or have an existing line that you need to convert into the hotspot line for you to get this device. I don't understand why, but I'm just a consumer that was told what to do. You can see that I'm getting very low speed, but I'm getting good enough and speed that it's usable. So, but you do keep in mind that after a while, if you don't use it, just go into the sleep mode. So keep in mind that if you're just connect to the laptop that constantly pulling data from it, just play around with it, see the application that you're using with it, work with that the way you want it. If not, don't return to store, because they will charge you restocking fee. Talk to the customer service. More likely they were willing to work with you, because you should never have to pay something that you can't use. So of course you can see the Mint Mobile of T-Mobile network works great, and you get 5 megabits up and just kind of average around 2 on the hotspot. So that's basically it. And anything else that I forgot to mention, I think, is talking about the display. The display is very good in the sun. You can see it, and you can see clearly. Reason why you can't see it over the camera, because it's over exposure, and so the light is kind of bright, and you would just, even if I stick a Mint Mobile SIM card in it, it would still says T-Mobile because that's their partner. So there's your Wi-Fi name, and next screen is your hotspot. So I am going to, that's your password right there, and then you go to, like it says, for more information, go to T-Mobile, and that's the IP address that you will need. You could go either using this, or you could just type 192.168.0.1, and then that's how you'll be able to manage your device. You can turn off Wi-Fi SSID, so if you don't want this show your SSID, you can turn off. If you want to show the password, you can turn it off. It's very neat little feature. I like this more than the Coolpad that I reviewed in earlier in the year. So that's basically it, and thank you for watching this T-Mobile hotspot, and keep in mind, keep it charged, keep it active, and you're all set. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the notification bell, and thank you for all your support. And leave a comment down in the comment. What do you want to know about this device? And I will have this device probably around good 3 months. And after 6 months, I'm probably going to unlock it. And hopefully after I unlock it, I'll be able to use it with different carrier. But more likely will be only AT&T or T-Mobile. Or I might just leave it locked. But it doesn't matter. So anyway, that's it. Have a good day. And I'll talk to you guys next time.